where all the bits come in, parts from Brembo, Marzocchi, Marcassini, etc., to build up motorcycle, along with the raw parts that are going to be machined for the engines, etc. Most of the hours of building a Ducati motorcycle in this factory are spent machining engine parts and assembling engines. You can probably smell the aluminum in the cutting oil. It's pretty exciting for us nuts and bolts type. The methodology today is collecting all the parts to build all our motorcycle engines in this area. And then we have shopping carts, we call them. These are all the parts required, as it says here, to make a Monster 695 European model. There's one kit for one engine. This will be wheeled over to the production line, and that's where the assembly of the engine will start. You can see the cylinder head starting to be added to the engines, clutch covers, electronic side cases, oil filter, cam belts, etc. As we follow down, the end of the line here, a completed engine will come off the line. Beginning of the production line, this is where the engine and the frame come together for the first time. You maybe say the birth of the motorcycle in a way. Here we are at the end of the production line, and we have a flock of Monster 695s here. Each assembled motorcycle goes on one of these temporary pallets. It's shipped up to Modena, right up the street here, and they come off the temporary pallets. They're put onto pallets that are shipped overland by truck to Europe. If they're going overseas, Asia, America, places like that, they get put into a wooden crate and then into a sea container on a boat and over to other shores.